Hey, you. You, right there. Yeah, you. Do you happen to have 14 nails, a wooden plank with a nail in it that's super glued together, and a hammer?
I sure do.
Well, do I have some news for you? You can make things happen.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so you're playing Minecraft, you get the nails, you throw down the plank, you're like, man, I really want to make this in my crafting table. So you get 2 nails, 3 nails actually, lay them like so. Then you get the remaining not 3 nails, I think it's like 12. You get 12 nails, you put another nail on top of those 13 nails that are laying there currently. And you go like, man, I'm gonna make this into my Minecraft house. So you lift it back up, top nail, bottom nail, like so, and you place it on the fulcrum, because apparently Minecraft is gravity now, we gotta obey its laws. You place it right, just like that, and bam, now you're a pro Minecrafter. Look at that, that is a nice Minecraft house. It's amazing, immaculate even. Look at that, amazing. One satisfied customer.
Marty wins!